no grind.
We have always thought of design as being so much more than just the way something looks. It's the whole thing, the way something actually works on so many different levels. Ultimately, of course, design defines so much of our experience. I think there is a profound and enduring beauty in simplicity, in clarity, in efficiency. True simplicity is derived from so much more than just the absence of clutter and ornamentation. It's about bringing order to complexity. iOS 7 is a clear representation of these goals. It has a whole new structure that is coherent and that is applied across the entire system. We've considered the tiniest details, like refining the typography, to much larger ones, like redesigning all the icons. And developing a grid system allowed us to achieve a much more harmonious relationship between individual elements. We've also incorporated a whole new palette of colors. Distinct, functional layers help establish hierarchy and order. And the use of translucency gives you a sense of your context. These planes, combined with new approaches to animation and motion, create a sense of depth and vitality. The iPhone, responding to your movements, drives the parallax to create a whole new experience of depth. In many ways, we've tried to create an interface that is unobtrusive and deferential. One where the design recedes, and in doing so, actually elevates your content. Even the simple act of changing your wallpaper has a very noticeable effect on the way your iPhone looks and feels across the entire system. While iOS 7 is completely new, it was important to us to make it instantly familiar. We wanted to take an experience that people know very well and actually add to it, to make it more useful, to make it more enjoyable.
In addition to the redesigned user interface, iOS 7 comes with some great new features and enhancements. Now, the controls you want to access quickly are all in one convenient place with Control Center. One swipe from any screen opens up a set of useful controls. And Notification Center is now available from the lock screen, with a new at-a-glance view of your day. Multitasking lets you jump from app to app much more intuitively. It actually pays attention to which apps you use most and automatically keeps your content up to date in the background. The new Camera app introduces a new level of ease and versatility. Now you can just swipe between modes, from video to still to square, while using a new palette of filters. Your iPhone knows the time and location for each of your photos. The Photos app uses this information to intelligently organize your pictures by clustering them into moments and collections. And now, with iCloud photo sharing, friends and family can contribute their own photos and videos to your shared albums. With over 800,000 apps, the App Store is the world's largest app marketplace. iOS 7 now features Popular Near Me, a new way to find a curated collection of apps based on your current location. AirDrop makes it easy to share with people near you. When you've got something you want to share, AirDrop shows you your contacts close by. Just select who you want to share with, and AirDrop does the rest. And if someone's not in your contacts, they just activate AirDrop, and you can send them files too. Safari's redesigned user interface lets you see more of your content, starting with full-screen browsing. The unified search field helps simplify searching, and there's a new view for your bookmarks, and also a new way to see your Safari tabs. Siri is now even more helpful and informative. We've integrated Twitter and Wikipedia, and with new male and female voices, Siri sounds better than ever.
Okay, I found this on Wikipedia.
And Siri can assist you in new ways by doing things like changing the settings on your iOS device.
Okay, Bluetooth is on.
iTunes Radio is a great way to discover new music. We've created many featured stations, drawing from the best selection of songs online. It's easy for you to create your own stations. And when you hear something you'd like to purchase, it's just a tap away.
iOS 7 brings with it the most significant changes that we've made to the user interface since the introduction of the very first iOS. To create it, we brought together a broad range of expertise from design to engineering. With what we've been able to achieve together, we see iOS 7 as defining an important new direction and in many ways a beginning.
We express and enjoy the tears. There's no need to run in a race. Family, well let's start from this at this land. Oh no, quantity risk is a changing plan. Know where your airport is stop for one. Just do the thing where you want. I'm from the east to the town, from the street to the sun. Where you see a bird